Hi, I'm Kayla,
And I'm Gabby.
and we are transformational coaches who help people get unstuck and move from that space into a place of massive action towards their goals and dreams.
During the course of the half-day intensive course that we are bringing towards you guys, what we will have is the opportunity to come away with a plan and to put into action ways for you to go from stuck to limitless.
Absolutely. So, we're going to move you from where you're at right now, whatever that point of stuckness is. So, maybe it's your health, maybe it's your weight, maybe it's your 9 to 5 career where you feel like you're running the rat race. Whatever it is, we are going to help you identify that place of stuckness, get clarity on it in the direction you actually want to go, and then put together a real plan to take massive action towards your dreams and goals.
So that you can cultivate the lifestyle that you'd like to be in.
Absolutely. So the workshop is going to be August 21st. It is a half day intensive. So it's going to be for 4 hours. And before that, we may send out some little fun teasers, via email. But we'd highly encourage you, if you are in a place of stuck right now, where you know that you deserve more in this life, where you know that you want to accomplish more in this life, and you feel like you are just being held back and you're not really sure what the invisible forces are that are stopping you, go ahead and register for this event. We are doing this for the one-time price of $49, and that is VIP Zoom access. So you will be able to ask live Q&A throughout the entire event.
And with the event, it's limited, and we've already had over 30% sign up, pre-sign up before the event has even gone out. Just DMing us. So what I do is get on there and sign up ASAP.
Absolutely. You do not want to miss this chance. This is a huge event, and it is going to be for that low price. You are going to walk away with an actual plan to move forward. So we are super excited to have you with us and to get you some clarity and get you moving in the direction of your dreams. So Gabby,
Let's
is there anything
cultivate
else you
this.
wanted to add?
Yeah. Well, all I'm saying is let's cultivate this together. Let's live the dreams that we want to dream. Let's live the lives that we want to live. Let's live in health that we want to be in, together. This is a one-time opportunity. Don't miss out.
Absolutely. All right, guys, go click on the link below, go get registered, and let's see you August 21st.
Click on it.